So, folks, I'm here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota with my good friend and chef, Justin Warner.
Listen, I got so excited that you were coming to South Dakota, my new home state, I thought I've got to get you exposed to our state nosh. I don't know why it's named this because chislik has an arguable etymology. It might be Turkish, related slightly to shish kebab.
And this is Urban Chislik.
Pork chislik sandwich in the window.
I had a pork sandwich today. It was fantastic.
It has a lot of nice barbecue flavor, and the sandwich is massive.
What are we doing first?
Our barbecue base.
Okay.
Tomato sauce, brown sugar, molasses, some Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, liquid smoke,
The quadruplets of umami.
OJ, paprika, garlic powder, stone ground mustard,
Turn into a 3-hour cooking show.
onion powder, dry mustard, fish sauce.
You took that right out of Justin's briefcase.
The quintuplets of umami.
Yeah. Tamarind paste, salt and pepper, a little garlic salt, sugar. Let this get heated up a little bit. We're gonna split it up 3 ways.
It's a mother sauce to make a sweet sauce, and it's a mother sauce to make a spicy sauce.
Yep.
A theme in variations.
That's what I was gonna say.
We'll tighten it up a little slurry.
You know, I love hydrocolloids. Cornstarch is one of them. But you all knew that, right? Come on.
He uses words that you and I can't spell.
Yeah. And then we'll add our stuff to make it sweet.
Butter, brown sugar.
Honey.
Time for the famous chislik.
Cut off a little bit of pork here.
Cubing it evenly is so that it all cooks at the same time and same temperature.
We don't skewer it? I heard the old thing was we skewered all chislik.
The patron could be doing the skewering themselves via a toothpick.
Drop it in the fryer for right about 90 seconds.
All right, chef.
We're gonna make some coleslaw. It's gonna go on top of our sandwich. Some shredded green cabbage, mayo, red cabbage, some of our house honey mustard.
You make that also.
We do. Sugar, kosher salt. This is our house dry rub. We got white pepper, black pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, apple cider vinegar.
And mix it up.
Nature's whisks.
Now we can finally make the chislik that I've been waiting for.
Absolutely. We got our chislik fried off. Right over to the flat top. Sweet barbecue sauce.
Taking chislik to another dimension, right?
Totally. Chislik and cheese.
Swiss, domi for my homie.
It's getting steamy.
Toast off a bun.
I'm very excited about this.
Slaw on it. Crispy onion strings. Drizzle a little barbecue on there.
That's lights out, bro.
It's all the flavors of a great pork barbecue sandwich, but with just texture after texture after texture.
The entire piece of pork is caramelized. You were talking about that. The cut was critical to make sure that you have the right ratio between how crispy it's gonna be on the outside and how tender and juicy it'll be on the inside. And it's the perfect balance of it.
The sweetness is there, but it's not overly sweet.
One element takes over the top. To me, the Swiss cheese. It's that little bit of funk that's in the back of it that ties it all together.
If you're not a fan of chislik, this is like gateway chislik.
Excellent. Out of the gate, dynamite.
You guys both got the barbecue pork chislik sandwich.
That's a great way to eat pork, definitely.
They take chislik to another level.